Understanding, Scream Defiance, a guide to English idioms. Hello, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the meaning and usage of the phrase, scream defiance. This idiom can be quite intriguing for English learners, so let's dive in and understand what it really means and how you can use it effectively in your conversations. Scream defiance is an idiomatic expression used to describe a situation where someone shows very strong and vocal opposition or resistance. It's not about literally screaming, but rather expressing strong disagreement or refusal in a way that is as loud and clear as a scream. This phrase is often used in situations where someone is standing up against authority, challenges, or difficult circumstances. Understanding the origin of idioms can often help in grasping their meaning better. The phrase, scream defiance, likely comes from the literal act of yelling in a defiant manner. Historically, screaming or shouting has been a way for people to express strong emotions, including opposition or resistance. Over time, this physical act turned into a metaphorical expression used in everyday language. 1. In literature or drama, the character in the play screamed defiance against the unjust laws of the kingdom, inspiring the audience. 2. In everyday conversation, even though it was difficult, she screamed defiance against the challenges she faced, showing her resilience. 3. In political contexts, the protesters screamed defiance against the new policy, showing their strong disagreement with the government's decision. It's important to note that scream defiance is not used for calm or peaceful opposition. It implies a strong, almost rebellious kind of resistance. Also, it's metaphorical and not usually about literal screaming. We hope this video has helped clarify the meaning and use of the phrase, scream defiance. Remember, idioms like this add color and emotion to the language, making your conversations more vivid and expressive. Keep practicing, and don't hesitate to use this phrase when you encounter situations of strong resistance or opposition. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.